Well, that was a short section on exponents. Let's move on to the last section of our algebra review. So radical expressions and equations. Today is really simple. It's the simplifying radical expressions. You're probably fairly good at this because we did some of this while you were in geometry still with the triangles. So, and you are given, if you're asked to simplify a radical expression, or leave, try this as well, leave in simple radical form. All right, those are the two of their kind of synonyms, I guess you want to say. Synonym directions, synonym direction, I don't know, whatever. So if you've got the square root of 72, you need to hunt for perfect squares in there. And if you're not sure what perfect squares do exist in the square root of 72, or in 72, make yourself a little factor tree and you will find them. So 72, well, 2 goes into 72, right? 2 goes into 72 36 times. Oh, hey, there's a perfect square. So 6 and 6. So we can write square root of 72 as square root of 2 times 6 times 6. So we've got a pair of 6s. And so we show that on the outside as 1 6, but we have to leave the square root of 2. So that's how that works, friends. You can do the same thing with variables. So we could have the square root of, I'm going to try and pick a nice, good number. Let's do 125 x to the third, y to the fourth. Okay. And so 125. Well, I know 5 goes in. So how many times does 5 go into 125? Think about that. Oh, 25 times. Huh, that's interesting. There's a perfect square. So this is written as 5 times 5 times 5 times, there'll be 3 x's and 4 y's. And if you need to write it out, that's fine. I think you're probably sophisticated enough where you don't need to write it all the way out, but that's fine. Whatever works for you. Look for your doubles, your sets of 2, your perfect squares. So we've got a 5, we've got a set of x's, and we have 2 sets of y's, so y squared. And then what's left on the inside is a 5 and an x. Okay, this will get fancier in Algebra 2. They'll be talking about absolute values of things. And then doing different sized roots. They're not always square roots. Sometimes they're third roots and fourth roots and so on and so forth. But for now, this is what you are doing. So enjoy.